Number 1 says complete. Use exponential notation for parts D and E. So 8 times 10 to the second, we know we're going to have an 8. And if we look at the 2, we know we have 2 zeros, so 800. B says 3 times 10 to the third, so we have our 3. 10 to the third, so we add 3 zeros, or 3,000. C says 5 times 10 to the fourth, so again we write our 5 with 4 zeros, so 50,000. D and E, we want exponential notation. 2 times what equals 2 million. We know 2 times 1 million equals 2 million, but we have to put it in exponential notation. So it's a 10, and since there are 6 zeros, 10 to the 6th power. 7 times what equals 700,000. So 7 times 100,000 equals 700,000, but in exponential notation a 10 with 5 zeros, so 10 to the 5th. Number 2 says complete the table. So 10,000, again our exponent's going to be 10 with 4 zeros, so 10 to the 4th. 10 to the 5th is a 1 with 5 zeros, 100,000. 10 to the 7th is a 1 with 7 zeros, 10 million, and 1 million was 10 to the 6th since there are 6 zeros. Number 3 says find the volume of the prism. Use the formula volume equals the area of the base times the height. So first I have to find the area of the base, which is length times width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Then I need to multiply it by the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to find the volume. So 48 times 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. So the volume of that prism is 240 units cubed. Number 4 says make an estimate and solve. So if I were going to estimate, I would do 60 times 5, which would be 300. For the second one, I would do 90 times 3, which is 270. So now it wants me to actually solve. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2 is 32. As we see, my estimate is pretty close to my actual answer. For B, 3 times 9 is 27. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 is 26, 267. And again, my estimate is pretty close to my answer. Number 5 says, explain how you know the formula volume equals the area of the base times height tells you how many unit cubes can be packed into the prism in problem 3. So again, the area of the base tells you how many cubes fit in one layer of the prism. The height tells you how many layers there are. So when you multiply the cubes in one layer by the number of layers, you can find out how many cubes there are in the whole prism. So again, make sure you write that in your own words on your math journals.